Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Greens on my Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's make rajma. Here are the ingredients. Please check the ingredients and the method in the description box. Let's make rajma using 2 tablespoons of oil. You can replace oil with butter as well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Add the spices in. When these spices are fried in oil, they release the flavor and this enhances the flavor of the curry. Now add the ginger, garlic, chili, onions and mix well. Once these onions are half cooked, we can add the tomatoes. Allow the tomatoes to cook well. You can even replace the fresh chopped tomatoes with the tomato puree. Now add the Dhania jeera powder, red chili powder, garam masala and mix well. Combine all the ingredients well. Once the tomato is cooked well, we can add the rajma. This rajma is soaked overnight, so we can cook it for 3 whistles in a pressure cooker in a medium heat. If the rajma is not soaked overnight, we have to cook it even for a longer time. Combine all the ingredients well. Now we can add some salt to taste. Mix it well. We can add hing, which is completely optional, some chopped spinach and mix well. One of the best combination for rajma is rice. To make the rajma gravy thick, we can cool the cooked rajma and grind it into a fine paste. This enhances the thickness of the gravy. Now add some lemon juice, water to cook and allow the rajma to cook in a medium heat up to 3 whistles since these rajma is soaked overnight. After 3 whistles in a pressure cooker, now let's see if the rajma is cooked well. To check if the rajma is cooked well, we can cut a bean in the center. If the bean cuts easily in the center, it means the rajma is cooked well. Otherwise, we need to cook even more. Transfer a 1/4 cup of cooked rajma and grind it into a fine paste. This enhances the thickness of the curry. Now mix the grinded paste together and allow it to boil. This enhances the thickness. Now add some cream, sour cream and mix well. The sour cream can be replaced with butter as well. Mix all the ingredients and boil for some time. Once the rajma curry is ready, you can garnish using a kasuri methi, butter or some sour cream. Please check the ingredients and method in the description box as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.